In this video, I'll be showing you step by step a discount code for funded pips. It is super easy to do and use. So the first thing you need to do is open up funded pips like you usually would. Then from here, you'll need to log into your account or register for an account if you don't already have one. From here, it's showing something like this inside the dashboard. Once you're in here, you'll need to go up to this plus icon up here, and then you'll need to start a new challenge. This will only work if you want to start a challenge. So here you'll need to enter your challenge type. And you can choose between 1 step, 2 step, or 0. You can choose the model, either Funding Pips or Funding Pips Pro. This will work both ways. You can choose the target price, the account size, and of course the trading platform between Trader5, MetaTrader 5, MatchTrader, or CTrader. From here, to enter your coupon code, you'll simply need to go up to the coupon code section up here, and then I have a link to it down in the description, and you can just paste it in like so and click apply. From here, you'll get a small discount for this, and then you just need to click agree and continue to payment. From here, you'll need to enter your credit card details and then pay for your account. But that's how I do it. If you have any questions about it, please leave them down in the comments below and I'll try my best to answer them as quickly as possible. See ya!